So imagine you have an extended response on an assignment or test, which you have one. Let's say this is the question. Should these guys get paid? Now, they're athletes, so should they get paid? What is your answer? You sit down, you type in, yes, and you hit submit, and you're like, woohoo! But no, that's not enough. There's a better way to answer these questions. It's called the ACE strategy. So ACE. First, A, you answer the question. C, cite evidence to support. And E, explain your answer. So the ACE strategy is an acronym that is split up into the letters A, C, and E. All right? So A, answer the question. Make sure that you completely answer the question and use keywords from the question in your responses. So when you restate the question into a statement, you want to do something like this. Should college athletes get paid? So when you answer the question, college athletes should get paid. College athletes should get paid. So that's answering the question, restating it. C, cite evidence. When you cite evidence, quote a part of the text that helps prove or support your answer. And then use signal phrases to introduce the citation. So find text that supports your answer. In this example, they go to, website to find evidence. So they found one from some newspaper somewhere, and they're going to quote it. For you and your test, it's just going to be the reading that's on the left-hand side of your screen when you're taking the test. So when you find the evidence to support your answer, you're going to introduce your evidence with a signal phrase. All right, so a signal phrase is one of these. All right, the article states, or the text stated, which is the one you might use. The author wrote, another good one. Or in the article it says that, and then you quote your evidence. So it's going to look like this. While college athletes may not exactly be employees, they are more than just students. Their work, which generates exorbitant amounts of money year in and year out, deserve compensation. So you add quotes around your evidence, so that's the actual quote, then you add the signal phrase. The article states, and then this is the part that was from the text, and they said the article states, they put that in quotes, then boom, they add a signal phrase, which is right here, article states. All right, so that's the C part of the ACE strategy. Now let's move on to E. You want to explain your answer. Explain the connection between the evidence and the answer. And then show that you know the answer because of the evidence. Let's give an example of this. So you're going to connect it all together. So you want to explain how this evidence supports your answer. You just said college athletes should get paid. You quoted something supporting your answer, and then now you're going to explain it. Now, if you notice here, this is the part where it lets me, your teacher, know that you know why the thing you quoted actually supports your answer. So they explain college athletes work many hours to make money for the college, just like any employee. They should get paid. They aren't much different than an athlete in the NFL. All right. So let's do a quick review. The question, should college athletes get paid? Using the ACE strategy to answer the question, your answer will look something like this. First, you answer the question clearly. College athletes should get paid. Then you cite evidence to support your answer. Well, in the article, it says, or the article states, and you put it in quotation marks so we know you're not just copying, pasting, and cheating. Then explain how the citation supports the answer. This is useful. This is the E part. You're going to explain in your own words how the citation, the C, supports what your answer is. For here again, college athletes work many hours. They're just like any employee. So when you put it together and turn it in, it's going to be about a paragraph long. Okay, so notice that this ACE strategy is similar to the step up to writing that's on the back of the wall, but it's a lot simpler. This is kind of step number one. You break it down to 3 parts. I'm going to ace this test by using the ACE strategy to answer the question. All right, this is what I'll be looking for when I grade your responses on the district test. Remember, ACE, answer the question. C, cite evidence. And then E, explain how your evidence supports your answer.